my sister, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know, Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, Rabi Kwankwaso, and Makinde, Oyo State Governor, have urgent meeting. You know, all of them have a serious closed door meeting. You know, all of them discussing, how to come back and unite as one again. They know that the water don't pass Gary. The water don't pass Gary. So see the paper. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? It's not a joke. It's not a fake. They're discussing to come back again. They have another meeting in 18th of August, which is this month. 18th of this month. They have another meeting. So this is a surprise news. Very, very shocking news. After everything Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, and kwankwaso having, all the crisis happening, that is the reason why I say that there is no permanent enemy in politics. There is no permanent enemy in politics. Look at what is happening today. Look at what is happening. I don't believe that Atiku Abubakar and all of them will come back again. Anyway, let us, see how everything is going. So let's see the next meeting. Let's know what is going to come out for the meeting. The reason why all of them discussing to come back again. They know that, the president, that is Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is prepared. He's not smiling. If it's 2027, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not smiling. I told you people that to collect power from Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not a childish play, because Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I know, is a master plan. And do you know how many boys, how many men this man raised? Do you know how many how many people this man put into politics? This man have boys. In terms of politics, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a master. He's a master. So I'm not praising him for nothing. He's a master. And the only person, can stop, Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2027, like I say, is, 805. But you know what is going to happen? And he's a master plan. So let's watching how everything go. So Atiku Abubakar, I know, is not going to collect power from Bola Ahmed Tinubu unless all of them team up together again before they go challenge, Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2027. Because the way I'm seeing it is like all of them is coming back to unite again. They know now, they know that they cannot do anything without, come back as one. So it's like former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, is among who, go the meeting. It's like Obasanjo want to unite all of them together to collect power from Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But it's not a childish play, like I'm still saying it again and again. 2027 is not going to be easy for anyone. So if anybody coming to challenge Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is going to prepare, because he's a master plan. He have many strategies to win this election 2027. I know that Peter Obi carry crowd. A lot of people have followed Peter Obi, but it's not like Peter Obi, is not going to win. But it's not easy to someone on seat, to you to collect power from someone on seat. Forget about what's happening in 2015. Forget about what happened. The late Muhammad Buhari collect power from Goodluck Jonathan. Forget, Goodluck Jonathan is a man of peace. He don't want anything problem. But not everybody is not the same, like I say. So, but all everyone is praying is peace, everybody is praying for peace because problem is no good, crisis is no good. So that is our prayer for 2027. So let's watch how it's going to happen. Atiku Abubakar, Makinde, that is Oyo State Governor, Rabi Kwankwaso, and P2B is coming to unite as one again. So, but my question is that who is going to be the president? Who is going to be the, as I don't know which party they go choose, whether it's ADC or NDC, who is going to be the presidential candidate? Is it Atiku Abubakar? Is it P2B? Is it Makinde? So that is my question I'm asking. So to balance that thing is not going to be easy. Maybe I don't know. P2B is not going to agree to be vice. Atiku Abubakar is not going to agree to be vice. Is there Makinde can consider, and Kwankwaso can consider. So these 12 people I know agree to be, vice to each other. So let's watching how it's going to happen, because this is very serious. So to collect power, I'm still repeating it again, for Bola Tinubu 2027 is not going to be easy. So the way you people are preparing, the way Bola Tinubu is preparing. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, the people have been following me. Like I told you, in case you never subscribe, please try and subscribe on our TV. Just keep in following me in this channel. Remember what I told you, that this channel is not about trending news and related news. So thank you. One of God will continue blessing us. Thank you. Subscribe on our TV.